Three powerful subconscious mind programming techniques. Whatever you experience in your life, it gives you some messages out of which you draw some conclusions. And these conclusions get stored in your subconscious mind and they help you or guide you for future actions. But if the conclusions that you have drawn out and the messages you have stored are not right or are negative, then it can become a big problem for you. Let's say you were recently rejected by someone you cared about and loved a lot. This experience is very shattering for you and it has turned your world upside down. You are completely broken from inside and you started questioning yourself. You started noticing your flaws and imperfections and started thinking that if you would be perfect, then that person might not have left you. This message will be stored in your subconscious mind and will connect with the incidents of rejections in your future life. Like when your new partner will dump you, or when your best friend will ignore you for hanging out with the other people, with other friends. So all these messages that you store in your subconscious mind will gradually lead you to some conclusions that you are not so worthy and so lovable, that you don't deserve love and care, that you have many flaws to be accepted by someone. And what could be worse than not loving yourself? Such worse problems are not only limited to your love life, but they can also arise in your path of success also. In the path of peace, happiness, profession and knowledge. You might be holding a belief that is quite wrong, but you stubbornly believe in that particular belief. Suppose your boss usually shouts at you for not working properly and you probably are not holding this belief that you really cannot work properly. Can you imagine what damage you are causing to your confidence and abilities? So what to do to solve these problems? What to do so that our mind is free from all wrong beliefs and messages? The answer to this is program your subconscious mind. Yes. These poisonous messages, beliefs and conclusions that are stored in your subconscious mind, that you don't deserve to be loved, that you can't work properly, that you cannot be successful, that you are not beautiful, that all men are same, that all women run after money, that their religion is bad, that all politicians are bloodsuckers, that all rich people are unkind people. All such things, you need to delete all such things. And this can be done by programming your subconscious mind. So in today's video, I'll show you 3 powerful subconscious mind techniques that will definitely change your life by changing all these beliefs. But before we move on, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss out on what's coming up next. So let's get started. This word hypnotize, the picture of a clinic might comes to your mind where a person is being hypnotized by a hypnotist to solve the issues. Isn't it so? But the reality is that you can also hypnotize yourself. Let me ask you this, what does a hypnotist do? He relaxes your mind, makes you calm, and inserts all the positive things in your subconscious mind while you are on hypnosis. Because when you are in the stage of hypnosis, then it becomes really very easy to access your subconscious mind. At this time, the person who is hypnotizing, you can either make your mind or break it. Now you may be wondering, how can you hypnotize yourself? Okay, just tell me, why do you completely start feeling the pain of a character in a sad movie? Why do you jump out of your couch when you see a really thrilling scene? Why are you so much into this? It's because you have been hypnotized. Surprised? Well, this is true. The scenes which are displayed in front of you make you feel for each and every moment of it. You can do self-hypnosis by listening to various audio programs that are specifically designed for such purpose. Just choose a comfortable spot in your home, close your eyes and follow the instructions and as given in that particular audio. The positive statements in the audio will be implanted in your subconscious mind. Thus, you will end up programming your subconscious mind for positivity, for success, for more money, for love. Number 3, plant and modify thoughts while meditating. There is no doubt in the fact that how meditation can relax our minds and provide us with many benefits. When you meditate deeply, you are actually into another zone. You are into your subconscious mind, can see all your thoughts and ideas passing like metro trains on the platform. So this is the time when you can actually plant thoughts in your mind. Reconsider your previous thoughts, modify your old beliefs and your ideas, and you can program your subconscious mind. So just sit in a comfortable place, relax yourself, close your eyes, breathe in and deeply breathe out without any force, and plant all those thoughts in your mind that you really want to do. Besides this, try to modify your old thoughts into more positive ones. Suppose there is a person of another religion in your office that you don't like. You have not even talked to him once, and you are continuing your prejudice against him. Now, while you are meditating and this thought comes, pause it and check it. Sometimes things are really hidden very deep to realize what is right and what is wrong. So ask yourself, why I hate that person so much? Because we are all of different religions. Does my religion teach this to me? To spread hate? No, it teaches me not to spread hate and to love every creature on this planet and spread brotherhood. What I am doing? I am spreading hate. Is this right? No, this is completely wrong. Then what should I do? Love others, no matter what religion, what color, what state they belong to. So from today onwards, I will not choose the path of hate and prejudice. So you can see how are you modifying your belief system. Follow these 3 powerful techniques and share your experiences in the comment section below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you very much.